Good morning and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD Chinese yuan. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Chinese yuan first. So what we can see basically on this daily time frame is that we broke, and I alerted you about days before that, a few days ago, that we started to break out of this triangle, and that in the background we had a big growth. So the continuation of the growth is right now going on. So my advice basically on this currency pair is to watch for buying opportunities on intraday dips or short-term, dips, and then watch for the buying opportunities with the upside targets at 6.9600 mark, at 7.1885 mark, which is basically we got a major highs there. So the market is still holding well. We can see this is a daily frame, but we can also see on the lower frames, market is still trading around the previous day high. So it seems like the market, we still have lots of potential to the upside, and watching for some kind of the dips, or continuational patterns can be a very nice strategy under the current condition. If we speak about gold market, for example, market is still on this down movement, and we can see basically I don't see any kind of reversal at this stage. Market is basically trading now in this sideways for the whole morning. It's in the middle of the previous day range, but my expectation is to still watch for the rallies. We don't see still any kind of, it might be ABC or some kind of bear flag that we're trying to create in the 4-hour, but I still expect lower prices and potential test of the 1714 or even 1681. So again, after this rally completes, and maybe the 4-hour will retest the middle Keltner line or 2-hour middle Keltner line, but watch for the downside continuation and bear flag patterns on the gold market. If we speak about crude oil, we can see basically that natural gas had a nice rally of this ABC structure, and we broke actually previous swing high. So natural gas is leading in energy sector, but crude oil is trying to follow, and we have basically some bull divergences there on the, like, for example, on the daily time frame, market is testing the middle Keltner line. So it seems like energy sector is waking up, and that watching for buying opportunities and intraday pullbacks can be a very productive strategy. So with potential for the retest of the 94.80 mark. So watch for potential pullbacks on the crude oil. And basically speaking of the Bitcoin, we tested our one of our major downside targets after we got a breakout of this rising wedge. We revisited the 20,800 mark, and now we're doing the consolidation. It seems like also it's kind of, we're building some kind of the bear flag there. Some triangle we can see basically, and the potential breakout of this channel can confirm a further drop, even probably towards 19,000 mark or even 18,000 mark. So if you see this 2-hour time frame, potential for the breakout, if we have a breakout here, might bring us to this area here. So again, watch potential selling opportunities in case of this downside breakout. That will be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe, and speak to you tomorrow morning.